yeah. I began with the dust of chalk, where time was carved in every talk. In books and maps I placed my trust, teaching stories from the past to us. But deep in code behind the screens, a door appeared, silent, unseen. Could learning live beyond these walls? Could the tech respond when wonder calls? A platform born from local lands, Moodle in my eager hands. I reach beyond across the sea, helping others learn through me. Not for glory, not for fame, but to light a spark and fan its flame.
This is my quiet call, not carved in stone or sword, to make the unseen known, to lift each curious word.
No crown, no ancient throne, but I hold the keys where thoughts are grown. With whispers deep in unseen streams, I open doors to buried dreams. This isn't code, it's something more, a voice that knocks on every door. Through AI's lens, I help them find the spark that lights the student mind. Then came Canvas, bold and wide, with teachers walking by my side. From Wazzy shores to islands far, I watched them shine, each a star. I taught the teachers, shared the flame, watched learning grow without a name. But still I ask, is this enough? Can we go deeper than just tough? And now the winds have changed again, with tools that speak like thoughtful friends, not just to answer but to guide. A mirror held to what's inside. AI, not steel, not soulless code, but a compass down the winding road.
This is my boldest step, not power, not control, but seeking where ideas sleep and how to make them mold.
No scepter, no acclaim, just a quiet torch with a changing flame. Through shifting stars and silent signs, I teach the heart, unlock the mind. AI's not the end I seek, but the bridge from silence into speech. 1,000 paths their minds could roam, and now at last they call it home. And some say machines will steal our voice, but I see minds that now have choice. For every student lost in haze, we now can light 1,000 ways, not to replace, not to erase, but to hold space for every pace. This is the craft I've come to love, a human touch with wings above. This is my lifelong move, my offering, my art, to spark the minds of those still waiting in the dark. No throne, no ancient right, just a beacon pass from light to light. Through every shift I've come to see what AI gives, a chance to be, not